If you've been thinking about cutting clean channels in concrete or brick, today's lineup is going to save you a ton of time. We're ranking the 5 most talked about wall chasers from the weakest all the way to the best, so stick around. The first tool on our list is the ZXMOTO model, landing in the 5th position. This one gives you the basics: good power, a decent cutting depth, and a slot width that works well for electrical channels. If you've never used a wall chaser before, this one feels familiar and straightforward the moment you pick it up. When it comes to performance, the ZXMOTO holds its own. The depth and width are right in line with a lot of machines in this category, and the dust suppression options make it easier to work in smaller spaces. Compared to the others, this model focuses on reliability rather than extra features. It's a capable tool, and if all you need is clean, even grooves, it does that job just fine. The downside is that it doesn't offer much flexibility. There's no advanced angle adjustment, no premium guidance system, and we don't get an official weight, which matters when you're working overhead. When you place it next to competitors with laser guides or wider cutting ranges, the differences become clear. If you're on a tight budget or only need a standard wall chaser for occasional work, this one gets the job done without fuss. Now, if you're looking to see every product from this review at the best available price, you'll find all the links in the description under the video. Next up in 4th place, we have the DYRABREST model. This one hits hard with power and stability. It offers that same deep, wide groove as the previous model, but with a sturdier build and support for up to 7 blades, which gives you more flexibility in the way you cut. The performance here is solid, the depth is enough for most conduit work, and the ergonomic handles help when you're working for long stretches. Compared to the ZXMOTO, this one feels more premium in hand, almost like it's designed for more demanding jobs. If you've ever used a tool that fights you, you'll appreciate how planted this one feels. But the weight is the big catch. At over 22 pounds, it's the heaviest tool in the entire lineup, and that makes overhead or horizontal cuts a workout. Add to that the lack of advanced angle features or guidance systems, and it becomes clear why this model doesn't break into the top tier. Still, if you value raw power and a solid feel more than anything else, this could be a great match. And before we move on, if you're enjoying the video so far, make sure to like it and subscribe to the channel. It really helps. Coming into 3rd place is the model from YUCHENGTECH. This one starts to raise the bar with a laser guide, cleaner dust control, and a more polished feel in day-to-day use. It's still a powerful machine, and the laser makes a huge difference when you're trying to keep your cuts perfectly straight. Compared to the 2 previous tools, this one stands out because it makes the work feel easier. The dual dust system helps with visibility, and the build quality makes it clear that it's designed for more precise cuts. The cutting depth is a touch better than the earlier models as well, giving it a slight edge when you need a bit more room. The trade-off here is speed. With the lowest RPM in the lineup, it doesn't chew through material as quickly as some of the higher ranked models. And at 20 pounds, it's not exactly light. It's a capable and refined tool, but not the fastest. If you value straight lines, clean cuts, and dependable dust control, this is a strong middle ground choice that won't disappoint. Let's see what beats it. In 2nd place, we have the model from Huanyu, and this one is all about finesse. It's incredibly fast thanks to its high RPM, and the magnesium alloy body keeps it light and comfortable to maneuver. If you've ever worked long hours with a heavy cutter, this feels like a breath of fresh air. Across the board, this tool blends speed with accuracy. The 360-degree cutting angle opens up possibilities that most wall chasers simply don't offer. You can rotate and adjust it in ways that make awkward corners much easier. Compared to the models below it, this one just feels more refined, quicker, and more responsive. The one area where it falls back a bit is cutting depth. While it's perfectly suitable for most electrical installations, it doesn't quite reach the depth and width that our top pick delivers. So even though it's incredibly versatile, it isn't the most heavy-duty option here. If you want a lightweight, fast, flexible tool that's a joy to handle, this one deserves serious consideration, but it's time to look at the #1 spot. Taking the top position is the model from VicSec. This is the tool that simply does the most and does it incredibly well. The depth alone sets it apart, letting you cut channels nearly twice as deep as the competition. And the massive width of the groove gives you room for serious projects like large conduits or plumbing runs. Its flexibility is what really makes it shine. The adjustable cutting angle from 75 to almost a full rotation means you can approach a cut from nearly any direction. And despite its power and capability, it's one of the lightest machines in the lineup. When you compare that to the heavier models below, the advantage becomes obvious the moment you lift it. The only real drawback is that this level of performance might be more than some people need. For simple electrical chases, it's almost overkill, but overkill is exactly what some jobs demand, and that's where this tool becomes a standout choice. If you want the most capable, versatile, and powerful wall chaser in this entire roundup, this is the one that wins without question. If you want to see every tool featured today at the best price available, check the links in the description under the video. And if you found this roundup helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more buyer-friendly breakdowns just like this one.